Let's take a look at number 6. So number 6 is asking us to evaluate the expression by using algebra. So we have 4 times x plus 5 plus 4x plus 8. And again, we're using the distributive property, right? And all the distributive property is saying is if you have some number up front, like this 4, then it's going to multiply by every piece in the group within this parentheses, right? So 4 is going to be multiplied by x, and then 4 is going to be multiplied by this 5. So 4 times x, and I can indicate that by parentheses just to kind of organize it better. That amount is added by 4 times 5. 4 times 5. And so we get 4x, and if we wanted to, we can go ahead and write down everything that, so this would just go straight down. We have 4x plus 8, and then we want to start simplifying, right? So 4 times x is just 4x, and 4 times 5 is 20. And then we would bring down the 4x and the 8. Now we want to start looking at like terms. So I know that 4x and 4x are like terms because they have a variable with the same exponent. So in this case, we have x to the first power and x to the first power. So I know I can combine them. In the same way, this has no variable with no exponent, and so I'm able to just combine those numbers. So let me rewrite it. 4x plus 4x plus 20 plus 8. And so if that makes sense and you can stay organized, I would highly recommend combining the like terms first before you start doing the operation of addition. So 4x plus 4x, you would just add the number up front. So 4 plus 4 is 8, and then we're going to bring down that x. So we would get 8x, and then we would combine 20 with 8, which is 28. Now the question is asking which of the following is equivalent to the expression. Since we have multiplied this out and simplified everything, we know that the answer is 8x plus 28. Well, we know that it can't be C or D, which is in the same form as 8x plus 28. So then this question most likely is testing our ability to use the distributive property. So let's take a look at A. We're going to do the same thing, just multiplying 4 with what's in the group using the distributive property. So let me write that down. 4 times 2x plus 7. And we want to distribute that 4 with 2x and 7. So 4 times 2x, and then that's added by 4 times 7. And so we want to multiply the coefficients again. 4 times 2 is 8. We want to bring down that variable x. And then 4 times 7, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28. So 28. And so we see that 8x plus 28 is the same answer that we get here. And so we know that the answer is going to be B, right? Or in this case, A, my apologies. It'll be A for 2x plus 7.